Good morning, student. We hope you are staying home and staying safe. Till the schools are not allowed to open, we will study through videos. Today we will study Maths of Class 5th, Chapter 2, Operations on Large Number, Exercise 2B. Now, in this video, we will learn the subtraction. We have done the subtraction of number up to 5 digits. Subtraction of large number is quite similar of that. We take the following step to subtract the numbers. Step 1, arrange the given numbers in the column, that is ones under ones, tens under tens, hundreds under hundred, and so on. Step 2, start subtracting the number from the right side, that is first subtract ones column, then tens column, and so on. Step 3, while subtracting, if any digit of minuend is less than the corresponding digit of the subtrahend, then borrow from the next digit and complete the subtraction process. Now come to the exercise. Exercise 2B, question number 1. Subtract the following. Now first we write down the question. Exercise 2B, question number 1. We have to subtract 8, 6, 7, 2, 5, 6, 9 minus 4, 4, 9, 8, 3, 5, 2. Now we will subtract these numbers. Now 9 minus 2 will become 7, 6 minus 5 will become 1, 5 minus 3, 2. Now 2 is smaller than 8, then we will take carry from the 7, this will become 12, and this will become 6. Now 12 minus 8 become 4, and this will become 6. Again 6 is smaller than 9, so we will take carry from 6, this will become 5, and this will become 16. Now 16 minus 9 will become 7. Now 5 minus 4, 1, 8 minus 4, 4. So this is the answer of the first part. Now second, the number is 1, 8, 3, 5, 6, 9, 2, 5, 6. Next number is 5, 2, 8, 0, 9, 8, 4, 9. Now we have to subtract these numbers. Now 6 is smaller than 9, so we have to take carry from the 5, it will become 4, and this will become 16. Now 16 minus 9 will become 7, 4 minus 4 will become 0. Now this is 2 smaller than 8, we will take LCM from 9, this will become 8, and this will become 12. Now 12 minus 8 will become 4. Again 8 is smaller than 9, so we will take carry from the 6, this will become 5, and this will become 18. Now 18 minus 9 is 9. Now 5 minus 0, 5. Now again 5 is smaller than 8, so we will take carry from the 3, this will become 2, and this will become 15. 15 minus 8, 7, and 2 minus 2 will become 0. 8 minus 5 will become 3, and this 1. This is the answer. Now question number 3, you can do it as a homework. Now move to the next question. Question number 4. The number is 7, 3, 5, 6, 8, 7, 8, 9, 2. Second number is 2, 4, 7, 9, 9, 4, 3, 9, 5. Now we will subtract these numbers. Now this is 2 and this is 5, so we have to take carry from the 9, this will become 8, and this will become 12. Now 12 minus 5 will become 7. Again 8 is smaller than 9, we will take carry from the 8, this will become 7, and this will become 18. 18 minus 9 become 9. Now 7 minus 3 will become 4. Now 7 minus 4, 3. Now again 8 is smaller than 9, we will take LCM from this 6, this will become 5 and this will become 18. Now 18 minus 9 is 9. Now this will become 5 is again smaller than 9, so we will take LCM, LCM carry from the 5, it will become 15 and this will become 4. Now 15 minus 9 will become 6 and we will take carry from 3, this will become 2 and this will become 14. So 14 minus 7, 7. Now again 2 is smaller than 4, we will take carry from this 7, it will become 6 and this will become 12. Now 12 minus 4, 8 and 6 minus 2 is 4. Now this is the answer. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore, or we can say 48 crore 76 lakh 93,497 is the answer. Now rest of the part 5th and 6th you can do it as homework. Now move to the next question. Solve the following subtraction stories. Now first we read the question. A MNC has 23,46,925 male employees and 35,82,569 female employees. In its all branches, how many more female employees than the male employees does the company has? Question number first, B part. First we write down the given data. So the number of female employees is number of female employee the number of female employees is MNC has 35,82,569 and number of male employee are 23,46,925. Now we have to find the difference between both of them. So we will subtract 23,46,925 from 35,82,569. So 35,82,569 and the second number is 23,46,925. Now we will subtract 9 minus 5 will become 4, 6 minus 2 again 4. Now 5 is smaller than 9, so we will take carry from the 2, this will become 1 and this will become 15. So 15 minus 9 will become 6. Now 1 is smaller than 6, we will take carry from the 8, it will become 7 and this will become 11. Now 11 minus 6, 5 and 7 minus 4 will become 3 and 5 minus 3, 2 and 3 minus 2 is 1. So ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. So our answer is 12 lakh 35,644. Thus 12 lakh 35,644 more than female employee. Now move to the next question. Question number 2nd. There were 3 crore 24 lakh 98,769 bricks brought to make the wall, but only 1 crore 29 lakh 38,487 bricks were utilized. How many bricks were left? So first we have to write down the given data. So we have the total number of bricks we have, number of bricks. We have 3 crore 24 lakh 98,769, and number of bricks utilized is equal to 1 crore 29 lakh 38,487. Now we will find the difference between both of them. Now, so we subtract 3 2 4 9 8 7 6 9 minus 1 2 9 3 8 4 8 7. Now we will find the difference. Now 9 minus 7 2. Now 6 is smaller than 8, so we will take carry, it will become 16, and this will become 6. 16 minus 8 will become 8, 6 minus 4 will become 2, 8 minus 8 0, 9 minus 3 6, and 4 again, 4 is smaller than 9, so we will take carry from the 1, this will become 14. Now 14 minus 9 become 5. Now again we will take carry, because 1 is smaller than 2, we will take carry from the 3, it will become 2, and this will become 11. Now 11 minus 2 is 9, and 2 minus 1 is 1. So we will get 1 crore 95 lakh 60,282. So we can say thus 1 crore 95 lakh 60,282 bricks left behind. Now third question. The sum of two number is 68 crore 35 lakh 79,835. If one of them is 49 crore 28 lakh 49 crore 28 lakh 98,789, then find the other number. The sum of two number is given in the question, it is 68 crore 35 lakh 79,835. One number is 49 crore 28 lakh 98,789. So we have to find the second number. So what we will do? Simply we will difference these numbers. So we will find out the difference. Now 68 crore 35 lakh 79,835. Second number is 492898789. Now we will subtract these numbers. Now here 5 is smaller than 9, so we will take carry from the 3, it will become 2, and this will become 15. Now 15 minus 9 will become 6, and here again 2 is smaller than 8, so we will take carry from the 8, it will become 7, this will become 12. 12 minus 8 will become 4. Now 7 minus 7 will become 0. 9 minus 8 will become 1. Now again we will take 7 is smaller than 9, we will take carry from the 5, it will become 4, and this will become 17. Now 17 minus 9, it will become 8. Now here is 4, which is smaller than 8, so we will take carry from the 3, it will become 3 will become 2 and this will become 14. Now 14 minus 8 will become 6 and 2 minus 2 will become 0. Same, 8 is smaller than 9, we will take carry from the 6, it will become 5 and this will become 18. Now 18 minus 9 will become 9 and 5 minus 4 will become 1. So this is the answer, or we can say thus 19 crore 6 lakh 81,046 is the second number. Okay. Now question number 4, you can do it as a homework by simply subtracting these numbers. Now our exercise 2B is completed. We will discuss 2C in our next video. Thank you.